Welcome to Mega Mall. Well, malapit na yung Chinese New Year sa February 17. Kaya marami ng mga confetti. Oh, welcome to Mega Mall. Ganda. Ganda naman to. Oh, galing ah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. And Mega Mall. Yes, bye.